we have only 30 minutes with us for today's program. So I request all our media people to be little, calm and be away from the, stage. So my request to media friends to be little away from the stage so that other guests have come here to participate in this great event. They can also comfortably see our chief guest. I'm getting into the program today, welcoming Madam Sunitha Williams. Hello. Our most respected chief guest of the day, Dr. Sunitha Williams, distinguished invitees, my colleagues at ICSW, members of media, my most loving children and sisters and brothers. It gives me great pleasure and honor to welcome today Mrs. Sunitha Williams, who holds the record for longest space flight by a woman astronaut, 50 hours and 40 minutes of spacewalk, and who had spent total of almost 332 days in the space after 7 missions, and also holds the record for the longest space flight, 195 days, by a woman astronaut. Madam, we are also very happy that you are the only woman astronaut after Kalpana Chawla to go into space. It is indeed a great honor for us for readily accepting our invitation and to be with us. I would like to bring it to the notice of the invitees that Mrs. Sunitha Williams has taken keen interest in women empowerment and upbringing of underprivileged children and also adoption. When she was informed about our activities in the similar fields, she readily accepted our invitation to meet us, and especially young minds sitting before us patiently despite the afternoon heat to see the wonderful lady who had taken the name of our country to the sky. Madam, to tell you briefly about our activities, Indian Council of Social Welfare is a voluntary organization functioning since 1947. We have branches in all the states in the country. We are affiliated to the International Council of Social Welfare and also a consultant to the United Nations on social welfare. We have been working in the fields of social legislation, education, conducting various programs like daycare centers, creches, community centers, old age homes, vocational training centers, and scrutinizing cases of adoption and also medical help to the needy and poor. The Working Women's Hostel, in whose compound we are sitting now, has been renovated recently with the help received from our colleague Sri Babubhai Maghji. Babubhai Maghji was the finance minister of Gujarat, and he was an MP and a man with social outstanding and mainly a philanthropist. Madam, this hostel is meant for working women who come from all parts of the country. 6 beds, but also we have plans to increase the capacity of our hostel. In this occasion, I am pleased to announce that Indian Council of Social Welfare has decided to institute number of scholarships for the underprivileged students and also plans to adopt a village in Maharashtra. All this will be in the name of Sunitha Williams, to recognize her contribution to space technology and also being a great woman achiever who has strong Indian roots. Incidentally, when Mrs. Sunitha Williams traveled to space station, she carried with her a copy of Bhagavad Gita and an idol of Lord Ganesha. Madam, you have brought great honor to our people, womanhood, and you are a role model for all the children of our country. We sincerely hope tomorrow at least one of these children who are sitting in front of you will follow your footsteps and become another astronaut and take the name of our country to another planet. Welcome you once again on behalf of all present here. I now request Madam Sunitha Williams to light the traditional lamp and inaugurate this function.
दिनेश जी को समझा दिया गया है, सुनीता को मालूम है, प्लीज।
We will honor Sunitha ji with a memento by Sundarji Bhai Shah and our President Dinesh Bhai Rawal. Madam, this is symbol of our country. This is known as Ashoka Stamba. We are giving you our heart. We are giving you our love.